Uh, Hello. In this session, we will talk about the two-room building, estimation of a two-room building. This is one room. This is 4 meter by 6 meter wide room, and this is 6 meter by 6 meter wide room. We have to estimate all the five things as in single room building: earthwork in excavation foundation, lime concrete in foundation, etc. Okay, you just go through it. And this is detailed section. We will use these details in the solution. Step by step we will do this. Okay, so just first prepare this table. Details for measurement as usual. First calculate the long wall center to center length. This is 4 meter plus 6 meter plus thickness of wall, then 2 times of half thickness of wall. You will get the center to center length of long wall. Similarly, center to center distance of short wall and inner wall. Okay, so let's see this physically how this comes out. This is long wall, this wall is long wall. So we had added this 6 meter, this 4 meter, one full thickness, one half thickness, and this half thickness, and we will get the center to center distance of long wall. This one room width, second room's length or width, inner wall thickness plus 2 times of half. Similarly for short wall and inner wall, short wall distance, this center to center distance, let me show you the how this 6 meter and this two half thicknesses. Okay, half this and half this, we will get the short wall distance center to center. Okay, short wall distance center to center. Now let's after this computation of center to center distance, we will do one by one each item. First we have to calculate the earthwork in excavation in foundation. So first long wall and short walls. There are 2 long walls you can see in drawing and 3 short walls. Okay, so these 2 and 3. Now the length of this long wall is 11.70 meter. How it comes, let's check. First we talk about breadth and height. Both breadth and height, we are talking about the excavation. So excavation will be in this length 1.10. So breadth is 1.10, height is from this ground level to this. So you just add 30 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and this 20. So you will get the 100 centimeter. So this breadth 1.10 is clear, 1 meter is clear. This is for long wall, same as for short wall. Okay, now let's talk about the length of long wall and short wall for the excavation. Don't confuse this with the center to center distance. So center to center distance is 10.60 meter plus the half width on this side and half width on that side. So we will get the full width on one breadth we will add in center to center distance, we will get the excavation. I will show this excavation plan. Excavation we have to do